In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use BestCrypt to encrypt a group of volumes at the same time. BestCrypt Volume Encryption is a unique tool for superior whole disk encryption. With BestCrypt, you can encrypt old MS-DOS style partitions residing on multiple physical disk devices, for example spanned, striped, mirrored, or RAID 5 volumes. It also supports MBR and GPT partitions. Open BestCrypt Volume Encryption. Click Run as Administrator. You will be asked for elevation. Click Yes. BestCrypt now presents a simple and easy interface for basic users. For encrypting a group of volumes, we need to switch to Advanced Mode. Click Switch to Advanced Mode. Click on the Volume menu and select Encrypt Group of Volumes. To encrypt with default settings, please choose a password and click Encrypt. For customized options, select Encrypt Volumes with Customized Encryption Settings and click Next. Here you can select the group of volumes you want to encrypt. At this stage, you can choose the same encryption settings for all volumes, or uncheck Use the same parameters for all volumes, and click Next. Now choose encryption settings for each volume individually, and click Next. Choose Set at Boot Time option for encrypted volumes if you want all of your volumes to mount at boot time. This option is only available when the system volume is included. Next, click Encrypt to start the encryption process. The encryption process has now started. The time it will take to complete the encryption process depends on the size of your volume and the hardware setup. You can always stop the encryption process in the middle and continue later. When you have other volumes, please remember to encrypt them as well for complete protection. Just repeat the same process. Congratulations! You have successfully encrypted your group of volumes with BestCrypt. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.